Hello guys, welcome to Zero Arabic. Start learning Arabic alphabets, a self-study course. I am your narrator for this course, Muhammad Mursalin Saad. Before we proceed, please subscribe and like. Welcome back guys. This is lesson 11, alphabets ma. And this is na. How to write the ma? From here, just go on top, curve a bit, 2, below here, and stretch. Let's observe how I write. Curve a bit, go down, stretch below, ma, per stroke, ma. Now the na, let's do again. Curve, below, per stroke, ma. Let's do the alphabet na. A big semicircle from top, 2 and number 3. Let's observe how I write. 1, 2, circle, 3. Put 1 dot and a fathah stroke, na. Let's repeat again. From top, curve, semicircle, put 1 dot and put a fathah stroke, na, ma, na. That's it guys, thank you. Please subscribe and like by pressing the bell to get the latest updates.